When you receive new PCS orders, one of the biggest decisions you'll make is what to do with your home. For many service members in Salt Lake City, renting out the property becomes a smart financial move. But stepping into the landlord role for the first time can feel daunting. In this guide, we'll walk you through what to expect, from prep work to tenant management, and help you navigate this transition with confidence. When many military families receive PCS orders, they face the dilemma: should you sell your home or rent it out? In Salt Lake, where demand for rentals is solid, renting often makes sense. It lets you keep your investment, generate steady income, and give yourself flexibility if your orders change. But it also comes with responsibilities, especially when you're managing from afar. Before you list your home, make sure tenants will see it as move-in ready. That means decluttering, handling repairs, especially plumbing, HVAC, or roof issues, updating finishes like paint or carpet, and making sure landscaping is tidy. Also, review Salt Lake Code or housing regulations so you're compliant from day one. A pre-rental inspection can help catch surprises before they become problems. In Utah, landlords can charge up to 1 month's rent as a security deposit, which must be returned within 30 days after move-out. Make sure your lease spells out rent dates, maintenance duties, and repair policies. A detailed agreement and photo documentation can prevent disputes and protect your investment. Being miles away doesn't mean losing control. Digital tools now handle rent collection, inspections, and tenant communication. But having a trusted local manager means your tenants and property get real-time support, keeping your rental stress-free even when you're stationed elsewhere. Common pitfalls include poor tenant screening, skipping maintenance, or unclear leases. Stay proactive, track repairs, document expenses, and stay current with Utah rental laws. And when you're ready to hand off the stress, TierOne Real Estate is here to protect your home and peace of mind.